guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my Ipsy unbaggings for June. I have my $10 subscription and then my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. We're gonna see what's inside each. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Ipsy bags this month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm filming this video a little bit later in the month because I was traveling, and I actually have been getting my Glam Bag Plus a few days before my regular Ipsy, just in case you guys are curious. So I got my Glam Bag Plus like almost 2 weeks ago, and then while I was gone, I got my regular Glam Bag. So I've been really eager to find out what's in both. So I'm going to start off with the $10 subscription, even though I really want to get to my Glam Bag Plus. But let's get through the $10 regular bag. Alright, so this is what the bag looks like. It says Tetris on it, and it has like a little Tetris piece on the top. And I know that Ipsy collabed with Tetris for a collection, which is a little bit weird to me, but we'll see. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so the card says, "Welcome to Block Party. We're kicking off summer bright. Think rainbow hued glam bags. Teamed up with Tetris to create an exclusive makeup collection." All right, so maybe everybody's getting like a rainbow, different colors of the rainbow. I actually thought that it was going to be like a pride themed bag, but I guess they're just doing it in collaboration with Tetris. Ooh, oh, I'm excited. This is from Beauty Bakery. Am I lying about this? All right, so false alarm. I actually thought this product was gonna be from Beauty Bakery, but it's from the brand Bella Pierre, which I've gotten before. It's a setting powder, and I just saw the cap, and I just saw like the B on the cap, and I totally thought this was gonna be Beauty Bakery because I have been really wanting to try out more products from them and their setting powder, and I was like really excited right in the moment. But this is just from the brand Bella Pierre. I'm not really excited about this brand. I've tried some things from them. I've never been blown away by it. But this is a banana setting powder, but this is actually like a really big size. So I will use this, but I think just because I thought it was Beauty Bakery, now I'm like sad about it. But I will definitely use that. It's a good size. Ooh, this came right outside of the bag. This is a face mask. It says Sweet Honey Bear face mask. Is it just one mask? Let's see. All right, so we do get a couple of masks in here. There are two different masks. One says Sweet Honey Bear face mask, soothing and nourishing. And then the other one is Aqua Moisture Raccoon face mask. I wonder if these masks are shaped like, or have like the print of a bear and a raccoon. I don't know. But I do like face masks. I don't get super excited about them because I have a million in my collection right now, but I use them for sure. And then let's see what else is in here. I want to get a brand that I like. This is from the brand Sugar, and this is a blush. It's a mini blush in Peach Peak. I got, I think, a bronzer from this brand a couple months ago. Let's see, this is a color I would use. It actually feels really nice. Yeah, it's more like a nude. You're barely going to be able to see it. Let me build it up a little bit. It's more of like a mauve-y nude blush. I only know about this brand because I got another product from them a little while ago, but definitely feel like this is more like an average product for me. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so this is one of the collab with Ipsy and Tetris. I have a feeling that in the Glam Bag Plus, I'm gonna get some bigger product from this collaboration. It says highlighter in Tetris Life is the shade. All right, so this highlighter, that's an eyeshadow color for me. I'm not putting this on my cheekbones. This is yellow. Like, this is not gold. This is yellow. Let's see. Yeah, there's no way I'm putting that on my cheekbones. It's straight, like, it's gold, but it's like a very, very, very yellow gold. That's a gorgeous eyeshadow color for sure. It feels awesome. Oh, that's actually really pretty, but I'm not putting that on as a highlighter. But for an eyeshadow, definitely, even if it's like a little bit too yellow for me as like a gold eyeshadow. But the formula does seem very pigmented. It's actually huge. Like, this is a lot of product in here. And then I have one more thing in here. This is from Tarte. This is the only brand I know in this whole bag. Well, I guess I know the other brands, but the only like high-end brand to me. This is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. So this is a foundation that Tarte had forever. This is in the shade Medium Sand. I have a feeling that would be like my shade. I feel like it's always risky getting complexion products in case they're like a completely off shade. I feel like I can work with that. Yeah, it totally blends into my skin tone. It looks a little darker on my hand, but on my face I think that's a decent match. It does look like kind of pinky tone, but if they're gonna guess, I feel like they did a good job with the match for my foundation. I've actually never tried this foundation, so I will put that to the test because I know it's been around for like many, many years. All right, so that is everything in my $10 subscription bag. I'm honestly like pretty underwhelmed. I'm not excited about like anything in my bag this month, which is rare. Usually there's at least like one thing that I'm really excited about. To me, the best product was the tiny foundation, which may be a little bit too pink for me, but just because it's a brand that I know, a product that I know that I have been wanting to try in the past anyways, but everything else is just like, I'll use it because I have it, but I didn't need it basically. Let's get into Glam Bag Plus because I'm more hopeful for this one. So I guess the themes are always the same between Glam Bag Plus and the regular $10 subscription. It also says, welcome to a block party on here. And I think there's a bigger product. Let me go ahead and show you guys. From Ipsy and Tetris. This is what it looks like. Maybe it's it's an eyeshadow palette. It's a 6-pan eyeshadow palette, says Block Party. All right, so this is what the palette looks like. I honestly don't even want to swatch it because I don't think that I would wear these shades. So I'm probably going to be passing this palette along. It's all cool tones and like jewel tones. We have like a very, very cool tone, matte brown, kind of like a cool tone beige, and then silver, a blue, and 2 purpley shades. Not shades I ever really reach for, especially like I have other shades in my collection that I love in different formulas, so I don't think that I'm going to be needing this one. Yeah, I'm kind of like underwhelmed this month because this is like the biggest product in the Glam Bag Plus, and I'm just not interested. I'm not a fan of Tetris, so I feel like it's a kind of a weird collaboration. Next up, I actually think that I have one of these, but I haven't tried it out yet. This is from the brand Natural Lab. It's the Perfect Smooth Blowout Lotion, Color and Heat Protectant. So it's a hair product. I'll use it. I'm like so underwhelmed this month. I actually haven't tried this out. Like I think I got it in like gift bag from an Ipsy party like a few months ago, but I haven't even opened it yet. So I have heard of this brand. I've been wanting to try them, but I have like other products that I want to use up first. And then let's see, this is a brush. This is, what kind of brush is this? This is like an eyeliner brush, I think, from the brand Suva. I feel like I've heard of this brand, but I don't know if I've tried any of their brushes before. And I don't really use eyeliner brushes like this because I only ever use like a liquid liner. But this is like a brush for like a gel liner. It's actually really precise. I'm horrible with gel liner. Let me know if you guys are good with gel liner because every time I've attempted to do like a wing with a gel eyeliner, it just turns into like a blob. And that's never a look I'm going for. But let me know if you guys are good with that. I'm so bad with gel liner. If there's anything I have never mastered, it's gel liner. Obviously that is a personal problem, but I do like getting brushes in my bag. I just wish it was like a face brush or something. And then next up, let's see. Okay, this is a skincare product. This is from the brand 111 Skin. I've never heard of this brand. It says a vitamin C brightening booster. I love vitamin C product. So this is a vitamin C serum. Ooh, I'm actually gonna use this. I love vitamin C products, and I definitely did not expect this smell. I was expecting it to smell like citrusy, like almost, if not all of the vitamin C products that I have in my collection smell like pure orange juice, but this smells like, it smells like a spa or something. It smells more like a florally scent for some reason, but I will be using this for sure. I want to look up this skincare brand because I've never heard of them. All right, so I'm actually excited about this. This is the product out of everything I've gotten so far that I'm actually excited about. So this is from the brand Ciate. I barely have any products from Ciate, and this is a liquid velvet matte liquid lipstick. So let's see what color. I want to say it's going to be like a darkish burgundy. Oh, that's a really pretty color. That's a little darker than I wear like for summer, but in the fall for sure. That's really pretty. It's the shade Pinup. So to me, this is the best product that I've gotten out of both of my bags so far. I feel like this made up for a lot of the bag for me because I'm sure it's like $20 for each of their liquid lipsticks anyways. And then lastly, this is also, okay, so now everything's making sense. This is from the brand Suba, the same brand as the eyeliner brush, and they gave us a liquid or gel eyeliner, so that makes sense that they would put this together. So this is what the eyeliner looks like, and this is really interesting. On the back, the directions say use a wet brush to activate the dry cake liner. So yeah, this is like kind of dry. It almost feels like a regular eyeshadow. Like it's not a cream product on its own. Obviously you can see the pigmentation, but it doesn't feel, it just feels like a powder eyeshadow basically. And in the little booklet, it tells you the value of some of the products. It says that the vitamin C serum is valued at $180, which I think is absolutely insane. And then the eyeliner brush and eyeliner combination is valued at $26, so it's a little bit more affordable. The eyeshadow palette has a $24 value, and then some of the other things you can get this month are the Pixie Mascara, which is $18, and then a product from Trustique. They always send products from Trustique, and I'm never impressed with that brand. Another lip product from them for $25. All right, but that is everything for both bags this month. It was definitely more of a letdown from both. I was actually really expecting my Glam Bag Plus to be pretty good because it has been in the past couple months, but I feel like in both bags, I basically got like leftover products or like the reject products or something, because it was just like a completely different or like random bag for both. Yeah, that was kind of a letdown. I don't like to be let down, especially with my Glam Bag Plus, because that is more pricey. With the $10 subscription, I'm like, if it's a flop, it's not like a huge deal because it's just like exciting to get the bag in general. But with the $25 subscription, I'm like, if it's all a flop, I don't feel like I got my money's worth. So I'm pretty let down with both. Hopefully I end up liking this skincare serum and it makes it more worth it, because it is supposed to be a very expensive serum. But that is everything in both bags this month. Sorry it was like more of a negative reaction to both. I was actually really excited because I've been waiting so long to unbag these packages because they've been sitting around for a little bit. But that's everything for this month. Hopefully July is a lot better. I feel like this was just like a very random assortment of products, but let me know what you guys got in your boxes or bags in the comments below. Let me know if you've signed up for Glam Bag Plus or what your thoughts are about it. But that is going to be everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.